How to pause or close Shopify store. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This is How to Pause. In today's video, we're going to show you how to pause or close your Shopify store. So without further ado, let's dive into our video. Let's go to our Shopify store right here. Let's go to home button. And by the way guys, this is just for tutorial purposes only, so that the Shopify is empty and not yet verified or not yet finished to be set up. And pausing or closing your store can be necessary for various reasons, such as taking a break, temporarily suspending operations, or transitioning to a different platform. Shopify provides an option to either pause your store, which temporarily makes it unavailable to customer but retains your store data, or close your store, which is permanently shut down. So in this tutorial, we'll guide you through that process. Let's go to this setting. Click on manage account. Let's just wait for this to load. And right here, scroll down to this store right here. Go to security. Turn on your authentication, two-step authentication. Let's go back to this one right here. Let's go to the setting. Let's go to stores. Here, click on your store. Let's go to manage account again. And let's find betting here. So let's look for an alternate way to find this. So here, log into your store as the store owner. From your Shopify admin, click settings, then plan. Here, click settings. So go to this, the admin account. Let's go to manage account. Right here. You can also log it out right there, or we can just simply click on this one. And also this, pause and build. Pause your store using pause and build right here. So as you can see, while you on the pause or build, access your Shopify admin. So the steps is log into your store owner. From your Shopify admin, click on setting, and then click on plan. Click on deactivate store. So let's click on this one. Click on this one. And right here, once you click on that, let's go to the article or the steps. Carefully review the plan details and switch pause and build. So with that, you can now pause or close your Shopify store with following these simple 4 steps right here. And that's it guys, you've successfully learned how to pause or close your Shopify store. So if you have any questions or need further assistance, guys, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And as always, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.